Alright, y'all. It's October, fall's in the air, surf's up if you're above the equator, and, well, it's time to share what's new in Fusion 360. When you're working on a project with multiple people, it's essential you have a process for changes, especially the big ones that impact manufacturing, functionality, or your go-to-market plan. Because it's so essential, saving changes and milestones at a part level has been tuned up. Previously, when using edit and place workflows, saving your changes with externally referenced parts as milestones only captured the assembly design and not the reference part. We've expanded the save capability to now include a more granular option for you to capture those hard-earned milestones at the assembly and part levels. Hopefully this helps you keep trucking in the right direction with your work. In the sketching and modeling space, we've got a doozy for you. Maybe you remember in August when we released Emboss and some other features that worked with sketch text. Well, what we've done today makes both of these tools more powerful than ever. Text on Path has been in development for a bit, and we wanted to make sure we got it right. And I can say, as an avid Text on Path user, this delivers. We've completely revamped the sketch text creation experience and improved usability, predictability, and of course, functionality. Now, you can write things on circles, splines, paths, oh my indeed. You can deploy it in a couple of ways. In the text dialog box, you'll notice a drop-down with Text on Path. Click here and make your changes. Or you can select the contour line first and then select the text feature, which will automatically create your text along that path. And of course, you can always right-click the path you want to apply the text to, and boom, you're writing right along. Go forth, my friends, and sketch text around, on, and along all the things. Next up, we've rolled out Arrange and Simplify in the modeling and simulation spaces. For Arrange, much like how it's used in the manufacturing portion of Fusion 360, you can make sweeping changes to the nesting of items on planes or sketches, whether it be to validate layout for production stock or to get a grip on patterning. Having Arrange in the modeling space is a great tool to improve efficiency in your process. You can turn this feature on in the Preference pane, under the General Design space. Click the empty box next to Enable Arrange and Simplify Tools. After you've turned it on, you'll find its selection in the SolidWorks environment under Modify right below Align. For industrial designers who want to make quick edits to a fillet but don't have a T-spline body to work with, this tool will be fantastic for you. We've added a new option to the fillet command called Tangency Weight. This tool changes the tangency curvature of your chosen fillet. So basically, you can now edit where the fillet starts to embellish along the length of your fillet. Keeping with modeling, we've tuned up our ruled surface feature we rolled out this past summer. Now you can create ruled surfaces from sketch lines. For anybody working in the industrial design, architectural, or machining spaces, creating ruled surfaces from sketches will be a legit time saver. Well folks, as I've mentioned before in previous What's New videos, Drawings is getting a massive overhaul, and the team is continuing to deliver. I'm more pumped for this update than I've been in a while, and if you do a lot of drawings with lots of components, I think you'll be mighty happy with this one. Under the Tables tab in the Drawings environment, you'll find Parts Lists. Now, when you're creating your parts list, you'll find the Structure tab. This will let you choose from the first level or the all-encompassing all-level selection. This tool will itemize and balloon all reference components in your design. One more release in Drawings is Hole and Thread Notes. Now, you can automatically place hole notes for hole features belonging to a selected edge following ISO and ASME standards. In the text portion of Drawings, you'll find Hole and Thread. Once you've placed a note, you'll see how many same size holes are in the drawings, the thread size, and hole depth. It's important to remember to get this to work, we have to reference some internal data in a particular way, which is tied to the hole command in the modeling space. Alright y'all, that's all they wrote. For more updates, head over to the Manufacturing and Electronics What's New. Otherwise, I'll catch you next month.